Hi guys, just give you a very quick idea about this rack system here. So you can, if you have any project, you can let us know. This one used for the large cold rooms, bigger project. If you have temperature very low temperature, using 2 compressor from Bitzer. This one is like 125. I just going to show you around how this looks like. So this is the rack system. There is 2 compressor from Bitzer, and this is the discharge line. This is the compressor compress the gas, and it goes to the discharge, and this compressor as well compress the gas and then also go to the discharge, and after that it goes to the this one is the oil separator. See how huge is it? So this is the oil separator. Here you can see oil level as well. Here we have also for the oil, we have the heaters for the oil, and we have the plate heater. See how huge it is here. And after that we can see there is see the quality, guys, is very well. This is downforce solenoid valves as well. This is here the gas separator. This is the this line is back from the evaporators, and it's back to the compressor, the gas. And here we have the PLC, and here we have the PLC. This PLC here we can show, this is the brain of the compressor for the rack system. We can see here a lot of details. I can just make it close so you can have better idea. So we can see here, so we can see the compressor 1, compressor 2, switch on, switch off, all details you can control here. This is touch screen, and yeah, we back here high pressure, low pressures, and we can see here this is the compressor 1, compressor 2, just make it, and this is low pressure, high pressure, and yeah, this one is the liquid receiver. So it's very great, well made. That was very quick to introduce this rack system. At the end, if you have any project or you have any question, please let us know, or you can visit freezingvalley.com. Cheers.